Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to find the best Vistaprint discount codes to save on your custom products. So the only and the best way to do this is to visit Vistaprint offers page at vistaprint.com/offers. Just type that URL on your web browser and you're good to go. They regularly update their list of discount codes and promotions so you can find the latest deals and offers. Here are some examples of the great deals you can find. So you can get free economy shipping, the standard business cards for just $10, some 30% off beautifully printed postcards, plus save 20% on custom marketing materials, and here you can enjoy up to 50% off select invites and announcements. There are some codes here: new 25, VP marketing, get 50, science 20. So basically that's it. Just check the terms and conditions and you're good to go.